we can move content about a document by using the outline view. So this document has paragraphs which are not in order. To move paragraphs about, we go to the View tab, and then in the View section we go to Outline, and our content is put into a bulletin point. So to move paragraph 1 up, I click on the bulletin point and I move it up. And that's how to move paragraphs up and down. Let me also move paragraph 3 up, below paragraph 2. And if I should want to make any item the header, I can drag across, I can drag to my right hand side, and you see a plus sign here. That means that has become my chapter heading. So that's how to make chapter headings, by dragging to the right. And to move paragraphs, we just click the bulletin point and reorder them. When we want to exit out of the outline mode, we click on the close outline, and then you see our paragraphs have been reordered. And you also see that our title has become a header 1. In this case, it actually became a header 2 because I dragged it 2 spaces to the right. So you see it has become a heading 2. So that's how to quickly create headers or headings and then rearrange items using the overview, the outline overview or outline view.